How to add scroll triggers for animations in Wix. So for example, let's add in here a scroll trigger for this particular text. You can head over and then click onto that particular element that you want to use. Now we have in here this. So as you can see, it's been stacked. So you can click onto the three dots right here. And then you can see these options right here. First things first, if something is stacked, you can click onto this unstack option in order to edit them one by one. Now click on unstack anyway. And once you have done that, this will be unstuck. Now from in there, just click on an element, then click onto these three dots. And in here, you can see these options right here. So you can edit out these options as well if you would want. You can first save this one as asset. And in here, you can choose in here as well these options like this CMS, link, comments, and a lot more. You can edit the text if you want. Now, for example, let's click onto this right here and then you can edit out some scroll animations. Now, in order to edit out the scroll animations for all of this, you can just click on a certain part of the page, right click on it, and then you should be able to see some scroll settings. If you can find it, it must mean that it's actually inside the container. Then click on the container itself, then right click, and then in here you can see some more options. So what you can do is you can head over and then scroll down. And in here you can see some more options as well. Now you should be able to see as well this background scroll effects. Just click on that right there. And then just choosing here a scroll effect that you want to use on this particular background. Just continue applying that until you reach the end of the page. Fade that in. And then just add it on each part. So on some cases, the background scroll effect will actually not show up because of some reasons. So for the primary reason, it's because your actual elements are inside the grid, so they won't show up. But if they're inside something like this, they will show up in here as well. So just head over and click on publish in order to apply what you have just added. So that's how you use scroll triggers for animations in Wix. Hope we helped.